Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a four-fold brochure using Canva. A four-fold brochure is perfect for marketing, events, or business presentations. We will walk you through how to design it, customize the panels, and get it ready for print. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we will click on Templates. Then, in the search bar, type Brochure and press Enter. Here, we can see a range of sample brochures. Pick one that is free, select it, and use it as our starting template. Click Customize Template, and we will be taken into the Canva editor. As we can see, the default template only has 3 folds. We need to add a 4th one. To do that, we will create another fold by going to File in the upper left corner of the screen, then clicking Settings and selecting Add Guides. Next, go to the Custom Settings and select Columns. Set this to 4, then set the gap to 0. Click 0 for the gap, then click Add Guides. Now we can see that the template is divided into 4 folds. From here, we just need to move and adjust the content to fit each panel. Reposition the images and text to fill each fold. As we work through each section, copy and paste content into the 3rd fold, then keep adjusting until the layout looks right across all 4 panels. And that's it. We have successfully created a 4-fold brochure in Canva. The brochure is now ready to share digitally or print for your audience.